It is about 10 o'clock. We are going to Chicago to see my brother, and we just got to the airport, just shuttled. I was gonna vlog earlier, but your girl was tired.
Yeah.
Go Dogs.
Go Huskies.
We just checked our bags in.
There you go, Mom.
How are you feeling, Dad?
I'm feeling fine.
You have all our boarding passes.
Mom wants to do the video. Look at her! Look at her smiling.
I'm trying to get through cut security.
To
All those people are coming around here.
So we're currently waiting in probably like a 2-hour line. Love that for us. Yeah. So creative. So artistic. So fun and fresh. What's your interpretation of that, Mom? So I got hit on. I love that for me. And there's Qdoba. Yeah. Look at that. He looks lost.
Oh, it's a video? Dang it!
Anyways, people are crazy out here in the SeaTac. I haven't been to the airport since last summer. We went to Reno with my grandma, and I just can't. I mean, people are crazy.
They're rude.
Just rude. People are trying to save 3 seats when they only need 2 because they don't want to sit next to people. Get over it.
Yeah, I got a bad back. I need to sit.
And swollen ankles.
Not yet. They're good. They're good.
Aside from almost dying, you didn't get it.
Oh, I can get in.
Aside from almost dying, we made it! Yay! I really don't like Southwest, but it got us here, and that's all that matters.
And as you can tell, we're in the back of the bus.
And we in the back of the bus.
Couldn't lean back.
Couldn't get comfy. We squished in here like sardines.
That's just because I'm big up in here.
We got our luggage.
Up the elevator.
Up the where? Up the who? Wait, where?
Come on.
I'm lost up in
Guy
this.
with the hat running.
Lost up in this airport. We're about to ride the train.
We in Chicago.
We're in the Chi-Town.
We in the Chi.
Okay, so a nice little consensus. It's hot. I can't breathe. The air is stiff. My brother's here. That's who we came to visit. But
My brother came to visit, but he ain't in.
no, I'm saying like we went to visit him. Okay, I can't breathe. I can't even think straight. It's hot up in here. Okay, I haven't vlogged in a little bit because we had to run through a rainstorm. I'm not even kidding. A severe monsoon. It stopped raining though, and we're about to get pizza at Giordano's. I think that's how you say it. Or we might go to Illuminati's. I don't know. The line is long at both places. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys before I go to bed probably. Okay, we're at the pizza place and I'm literally like probably 15 feet away from Kanye West. I repeat, I'm 15 feet away from Kanye West. So I forgot to finish off last night's vlog, but basically we had pizza, took an Uber. I forgot my toothbrush at home, so we went and bought a toothbrush at Walgreens, came home, got ready for bed, and went to sleep. We had a long day of traveling, and you could tell. We waited about an hour for our pizza, but we got to see Kanye West, so that's cool, I guess. He's kind of crazy. Don't really like him, but I mean, it was cool to be like within feet of like a celebrity. I was hoping to see Kim Kardashian, but no. I guess he was just in town for an interview, but it is what it is. So yeah, that was our night, and yeah, stay tuned for part 2 of this vlog, coming very soon. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. That would help me out a lot. Like I said, we're almost 200 subscribers, so if you like me, show me you like me. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.